you might want to duplicate or clone a document in CorelDraw. To do that, which is something like this, to duplicate more than one document, object or text in CorelDraw, this is how we do it. Let's assume I have this object. I can change the fill to blue if I wish. So let me leave it the way it is. So might want to change to duplicate it. We'll come to edit, but before then let me duplicate. What I will do then first is to right click, drag it with my right click while holding shift on the keyboard and drop it in this native location I want. If it's okay like this, I will remove my hand on the right click first before moving my hand on the shift. So you need to ask me. You to ask me if I want to. You to ask me if I drop it. You to ask me if I want to copy. Copy here. So what I will do next is to come to edit. Then I will edit menu. Then I will click on duplicate or clone. So let me use Ctrl D or duplicate. If you click on duplicate or Ctrl D, it will duplicate, maintaining the same space. This is how we do it on CorelDraw. You're welcome. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for more videos like this. You're welcome.